Hi there, today I'm going to show how to replace a double glazed window handle. So my existing handle has an issue where the lock doesn't work. Now if I turn the key in there, nothing happens, so it doesn't lock, you can still open the window. So first thing you need to do is check the actual sizing on this handle just to be sure what you're getting. There are standard ones out there, but best to be sure. So a standard thing on these handles, you've got a cap cover here. So I found if you get a knife, just gently prise it out, you should be able to take it out. Now this one's loose anyway, so if I pull it out, and in this case this is what the cover looks like. So let me take the actual handle off next. So quite straightforward, there's two screws, one at the top, and if I open the latch here, there's another one there. And just to give you a close-up, if I reposition the camera slightly, there's the area where the cap was, and obviously two screws, one's hidden, one's visible if you unlock. Okay, so let me get my screwdriver. We just take it off now. Okay, there you go, the handle's off. So the things you need to check is the distance between the actual screws and the length over here. So I've bought a replacement and I've got as closely as possible to the existing one, so just to compare. So the length here was 3.5 centimeters, but the choice was either 3 centimeters or 4, so I've gone for 4. And just to show, it's slightly longer. So in this instance, if I put it in, it doesn't go all the way in, so I have to cut a little bit off the end of that. So next, let's measure up and we'll cut this off. Okay, so what I've done, I've measured up and I'm going to put some masking tape on the area you need to cut off. So it's just a small area, just about 0.5 centimeter, and it's just about there. So just to give you a comparison, if I hold it over there, there you go. So pretty level where I've marked. Okay, so let's have a go at cutting this end off. So I've got my handsaw here and we're just gonna gently cut into it. Okay, so back at the window and with the handle with the end cut off, simple as just placing it in position, and we'll just put the screws in. And then just tighten up again. There you go. Simple as that to replace. Now, just to show, got the new key, turn that, that's it, locked now. And there's a cover. The back has a sticky pad on there, so if I peel that off and stick it on, that's all that needs to be done. So there you go. Hope it's helped anyone thinking of doing a similar thing. Details in the description below. Thanks for viewing and don't forget to like and subscribe.